Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're here to assist you in converting 6 yards to kilometers. Are you ready to convert 6 yards to kilometers? Let's get started. First, let's recall the conversion factor. 1 yard is approximately equal to 0.00091144 kilometers. To convert yards to kilometers, simply multiply the number of yards by this conversion factor. Let's walk through an example. Suppose you have 6 yards of fabric that you need to convert to kilometers. We start by multiplying 6 by 0.0009144. This gives us approximately 0.0054864 kilometers. But what if you want to convert 6 kilometers of road into yards? No problem. To convert kilometers to yards, divide the number of kilometers by the conversion factor of 0.00091144. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 6 kilometers of road to yards. We start by dividing 6 by 0.00091144. This gives us approximately 6,563.6132 yards. Remember to round this number to the nearest whole number, so our final answer is approximately 6,564 yards. And there you have it. Converting 6 yards to kilometers and 6 kilometers to yards is simple once you know the conversion factor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more useful content. Thanks for watching.